Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a crimped envelope card, just like you see here. To start, you'll need an envelope. This is an A2 sized envelope, which measures 5 3/4 inches across and 4 3/8 inches high. Before you start, you want to be sure to seal the flap of the envelope, and then we're going to cut off 1 1/4 inches from the side. So I will go ahead and do that. And now you see we have two pieces, and since we sealed it, we have an opening here and an opening here. Get this out of the way. Before we crimp the bottom portion, you'll want to do any stamping or sponging. I'm going to start with Memento Cantaloupe ink. And I'll sponge that all around, create a nice sponged edge. Okay, now I'm going to switch to Memento Desert Sand ink. Now I'm going to do a little bit of Memento Rich Cocoa ink. Since this is a dark color, I like to pat off the excess ink to keep from sponging too dark. Okay. And now I'm going to do a little bit of stamping. I'll use my Desert Sand ink again and stamp some grass for the background. And I will also add a few trees. And for a little more dimension, I think I will do a little more grass with the rich cocoa, which I'll stamp off once and then stamp it some more. Okay, there I have my background. Now I'm ready to crimp the card. Place the envelope in the crimper with the opening to the side. And there's the bottom portion. Now I like to decorate mine with images. I have some images already colored and cut out. There. Okay, I'll put that on like that. Okay, there's the front portion of my card. I still need to decorate the topper though. So I'm going to sponge that the same way I did the bottom. Okay, I have my top sponged, and you can just fit the topper right over the crimped bottom portion. Crimping it makes it narrower so that the topper fits right on. Now, I would like to decorate this. You can embellish these with ribbons and buttons or whatever you would like. I'm going to use twine since I'm doing a masculine card. this. Now this is a decorative brad. I cut the prongs off and just added some glue dots on the back so that I can adhere that over my twine. And that's what the outside looks like. You also want to create an insert that you can add to the inside of the crimped card. So the dimensions on the insert are 4 inches by 4 1/4 inches. I decided I wanted to have some layers, so I cut additional layers at 3 3/4 inches by 4 inches, and then 3 1/2 inches by 3 3/4 inches. And I'll adhere those together. I already sponged the edges of the inside, but I'd also like to do a little bit of stamping. So I will use a coordinating image. Stamp a horse and a sentiment. Like so. And there's your insert. Now you just put that inside the crimped pocket and put your topper back on, like so. And there's your crimped envelope card. Thanks for watching.